SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is one of the leading PEB designers in Malleswaram, Bangalore. With years of experience and expertise in the field, they have established themselves as a trusted name in the industry. PEB, which stands for pre-engineered buildings, are becoming increasingly popular due to their cost-effectiveness and quick construction time. SCON Design specializes in designing and constructing PEB structures that are customized to meet the specific needs of their clients. As PEB designers, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of services to their clients. They have a team of skilled engineers and architects who work closely with the clients to understand their requirements and provide them with innovative design solutions. The company has state-of-the-art software and technology that enables them to create detailed 3D models and simulations of the proposed PEB structures. This allows the clients to visualize the final product and make any necessary changes before construction begins. One of the key advantages of working with SCON Design as PEB designers is their commitment to quality and safety. They adhere to all the necessary codes and standards to ensure that the structures they design are structurally sound and safe for occupancy. The company also uses high-quality materials and employs skilled labor to ensure that the finished product meets the highest standards of quality. In conclusion, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a trusted name in the field of PEB designers in Malleswaram, Bangalore. Their expertise, commitment to quality, sustainability practices, and value-added services make them an ideal choice for anyone looking to design and construct PEB structures. Whether it's a commercial building, industrial facility, or warehouse, SCON Design has the skills and experience to deliver innovative and cost-effective solutions tailored to meet their clients' specific needs. PEB designers, also known as pre-engineered building designers, play a crucial role in the construction industry. They are responsible for designing and engineering pre-engineered buildings that are efficient, cost-effective, and durable. In Malleswaram, Bangalore, one of the leading PEB designers is SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. With their expertise and experience in the field, SCON Design has established itself as a reputable company that specializes in providing innovative and sustainable building solutions. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a renowned company in the field of PEB design and engineering. They have a team of highly skilled and experienced designers who are well-versed in the latest design software and technologies. Their expertise allows them to create customized designs that meet the specific requirements of their clients. Whether it's a commercial building, industrial warehouse, or residential complex, SCON Design has the capability to design and engineer pre-engineered buildings that are structurally sound and aesthetically pleasing. In addition to their expertise in PEB design,